Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel played a pivotal role during India's freedom movement. For this dedicated servant of our nation, religion and patriotism were complementary to each other. He believed that patriotism meant worshipping one's motherland and having deep love and regard for one's tradition, history and culture. He concluded that patriotism is itself a religion. Therefore, a truly religious person should have no difficulty in developing the spirit of patriotism. And today, on Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's birth anniversary, let's revisit how this dedicated freedom fighter and patriot ingrained the culture of unity in diversity among Indians and advocated patriotism as the highest form of religion. Modern Indian history is incomplete without Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. His vision, his work and his principles were highly remarkable in independent India. When our country became independent in 1947, he took over the role as a deputy PM at a time when Indian history was in a critical stage. Since day one, he had a vision for India to consolidate it into one united country. As the first Home Minister of independent India, he played an important role in bringing the 565 self-governing princely states and territories into the Indian Federation. To the astonishment of his critics and fellow politicians, almost within a year, he drew a new map of India with every princely state being a part of the Indian Union and thus paved the way for cultural unity and harmony. In his own words, Sardar Patel once said that there is no other country in the world that is as diverse as India, and it is this unity in diversity that has made us a great nation. Take a listen.
हिंदुस्तान एक ऐसा मुल्क है, अनेक प्रकार के लोग रहते हैं, बहुत से अलग अलग मजहब है, अलग अलग जाति है और अलग अलग हमारा पोशाक है, अलग अलग हमारी जबान है। ऐसा कोई मुल्क दुनिया में नहीं है जिसमें इतने छोटे छोटे फिरके वाड़े होते हैं।
The Statue of Unity was inaugurated on the banks of Narmada with a hope that the 182-meter statue will guide our nation and remind us that divided we may not be able to face ourselves, but united we can face the world and scale new heights of growth and glory.